Remote overview. The display goes to sleep after a few minutes of inactivity to preserve battery life. Hold a button down for a second, it'll wake up. You'll see that no communication in the top left-hand corner for just a second while it gets synced up. Auto means we're gonna run, the pool pump's gonna come on and off with the timer that we've set. I'll show you where I've set that. We are in pool mode. Current water temperature is 66 degrees. Heater thermostat is set to 40 degrees. To adjust your heater thermostat, use your left and right arrow keys. Dial up over current water temperature. And there's a little delay on it, but the heater will kick on by itself. There it goes, it just kicked on. And says heater up there. So that's how you control your heater thermostat, up and down arrow keys. The air temperature is 78 degrees. It is Saturday at 3:14 p.m. It's showing 2 bars of battery life. I just put in brand new batteries. That may change here shortly. 4 AA batteries go in back there when you need new batteries. I've set the pool pump, you have a variable speed pump. So I've set it as a low speed and a high speed. This P button is your low speed time, your low speed to turn on and off. Your high speed on and off is right here. Toggle into spa mode here and turn on the air blower in your spa here. This button is nothing right now. You can get into your menus with this button and to select anything, we use this button. So from out here, if you're done with the heater, see a few minutes of inactivity, we went to sleep. We'll hold a button, wake it back up. And we want to turn our heater off. Let's dial that thermostat back down to 40. And after a little bit of a delay, heater goes off. High speed, you can click on, the light illuminates, and the pool pump goes into a higher speed. Now you get more waterfall, now your cleaner moves around faster. And if you're done with the high speed, you can just turn it right back off. Spa mode, if we hit spa mode, you see right here, our pool has now changed to spa, telling us that we're gonna circulate the spa and only the spa. Current temperature is 74 degrees, 72 degrees, and the heater thermostat is set to 100 degrees by default on the spa thermostat. The heater has come on to tell us that the heater's on, it's just in that delay. Same scenario with the up and down arrow keys controlling your thermostat in spa mode to a maximum of 104. I'll leave that at 100 and you can adjust as you see fit. Hit your spa, or once your spa's going up to temperature, then you turn on your air blower and you'll get some extra bubbles there in the spa. When you're ready to get out of the spa, you're gonna hit your air blower button, your spa button, and return back to pool mode. So that's what you can do from your main screen. If you press your menu button one time, you come to a series of menus. The important thing to you really in here is your schedules right here. So if you put your scroller next to schedules, press select. A little delay on receiving the data. Still waiting on data. This goes faster from the outdoor panel. Everything you see that we're doing from the outdoor panel is everything you see that we're doing on the remote is identical to the outdoor panel, without some of the delays and stuff of data transfer. So we're still waiting on our schedule menu to pop up. Try that again. Go back to schedules. There we go. So I've got one timer set for pool and one timer set for high speed. Anywhere you see the word pool, think of as low speed. So basically I have a low speed timer and one high speed timer. If we scroll down to it and enter into it, See, I've set one schedule. This is schedule 1 of 1. It is a schedule and not a egg timer or something like that. We're going to come on and low speed at 8 a.m. We're going to turn off low speed at 6 p.m. every day of the week. Important thing here is that the full length of your time that you want your pool pump to run, you want this pool low speed timer to go the duration of that time. And then in between that time, you want to set your high speed. So I've set high speed. It has one schedule and it's set from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. That overlaps with the low speed timer. 3 to 6 here and 8 to 6 here. The higher speed will always take precedent when they're overlapped. So you want to set your low speed timer for the full duration of that time that you want the pool pump to run. And then set your high speed timer within that parameter. So as it is now, the pool pump will turn on low speed at 8 o'clock in the morning and run until 3 o'clock p.m. where it will jump up into the higher speed. The lower the speed that you run it in, the more energy efficient the pump is, the more electricity is saving. So for most of the duration of the time is just in a low speed to sanitize and chlorinate, and then the 3 hours towards the end of the day for to clean the pool. The cleaner will move around, you'll get a stronger waterfall and all that. Anytime, it's 3:20 p.m. right now, so high speed should be on. I just turned it off to so you could hear me a little better on the video rather than having this high speed running while we're trying to talk to you. So I'm going to now leave high speed on. I don't know if you can hear the pump going into a higher speed right now. I'm going to leave it on because it should be on right now. It will turn off at 6 o'clock p.m. And I think that's about it. There's several different things you can do in here. They're just not all that pertinent to you and your system. So if there's something you need clarification on, please feel free to give us a call. I'm leaving all of your owner's manuals along with this remote sitting right where you left the check and the Nutrigrain bar. So you can thumb through that or just give us a call and we can help you out if you got any additional questions. I appreciate it. Thank you.